Hello and welcome to our latest episode of Disney World News. Today, we have some exciting updates to share with you about Splash Mountain. As many of you may already know, the ride will officially be closing on January 23, 2023, to make way for Tiana's Bayou adventure. Inspired by the culture of New Orleans and the Walt Disney Animation Studios film, The Princess and the Frog, Tiana's Bayou adventure will take guests on a musical adventure, joining beloved characters Princess Tiana and Louis as they prepare for their first-ever Mardi Gras performance. Disney has shared some details about the new attraction, including a new scene where guests will first drop into the bayou and encounter new and familiar friends, such as fireflies that light up the night, inviting guests deeper into the bayou. The scene will also feature Zydeco music, a special blend of rhythm and blues that was born in Louisiana, which will make guests feel like they've truly stepped into Tiana's world. As the ride progresses, jazz-loving alligator Louis will explain to riders where the music is coming from before Tiana introduces some new friends. A band full of adorable critters, including an otter, a rabbit, a racoon, a beaver, a turtle and others will sing and play using instruments made from natural materials found in the bayou. Familiar favorites from the film will also lend their voices to the attraction, including Anika Noni Rose as Princess Tiana, Bruno Campos as Prince Naveen, Michael Leon Wooley as Louis, and Jenifer Lewis as Mama Odie. We are eagerly waiting for the opening of Tiana's Bayou adventure in Walt Disney World Resort and Disneyland Resort in 2024. And that's all for today's episode of Disney World News. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and news about Disney World. Thanks for watching.